Hey, good morning, everybody. It's Ray from innovational-health.com and Health Travelers once again on the last day, actually, of the RTR, the Rubber Tramp Rendezvous in Quartzsite, Arizona. It doesn't mean that I'm going to be leaving Quartzsite, Arizona, because I've still got a pretty fair agenda here. But I will be leaving this group. But this group is 4,000 people, so this is quite a large group. I did once again, as the meeting wraps up, I had some early morning visitors, and today I'm going to talk to you about feeling. This is I've completed 2/3 of the 15-day fast. And now I've got only 1/3 left. And the question might be, how am I feeling? Well, to be honest, yesterday I only had, I would say, very little hunger pains. This morning, it's about 10 o'clock now. I'm not hungry at all. I'm not hungry. I have been in the past 2 or 3 days more thirsty than hungry, and I will tell you that when you're on a fast, water tastes so much better than it does when you're eating. I don't know why that is, but it is true. I've recognized that from when I've done fasts before. So anyway, the question is, what happened yesterday? Well, I had 2 Shakeologies that were vegan strawberry, and I mixed them with a raspberry extract, and also any Shakeology that I've been doing, I've been putting in the detox that I showed you back in one of the previous episodes. And so I put this all in there. The detox gives you a little fiber. One of the things that's become prevalent, obviously, is fiber. We need to have fiber in our diet. I'm proving that every day. So the first 3 days of our fast, we had plenty of fiber, and results were 7.4. The next 2 days, 4th and 5th, we had fiber in the oatmeal on the 4th, and the 5th was fine. But as we got down towards the completion of this group, the second third, yeah, fiber is becoming an issue. So today is the last day. Today is the 10th day of the second third. So let's see how we're gonna do. The other shake that I took yesterday was also no fiber, and the extract difference was it was vanilla with maple extract, vegan vanilla with maple extract, and boy, I'll tell you what, it tasted great, and the RV smells great from the maple. Boy, I'll tell you, it's really good. So anyway, I don't know what to think. I did walk 2 miles, and once again, when I walk 2 miles, it seems to also have beneficial results. So let's remember, yesterday I had a gross weight of 11.4. That's what you'll see on the scale, or less, hopefully. And these clothes weigh 0.6, and the net weight yesterday was 10.8, which was the lowest I've weighed. So let's see right now if we can beat that low. Let me get the scale of truth out. And here we go. As I said, there's the scale of truth. And let me step on that. 210.6. Wow, that's impressive. Even without any fiber in my diet, remember I did walk 2 miles, I have now dropped down from 11.4 to 10.6. So that is a drop of, remember I'm so bad in math, but that's a drop of, I believe, 0.8, which now puts me at a new low for this fast at 210 pounds. And this will be easy for a total loss in the entire fast of 8.2, because it started at 218.2. That's pretty simple math. Anyway, that's it. I mean, all I can do now is see what happens on day 10, and we'll go from there. Hopefully the walking that I'm going to do today, and the fact I'm not going to have fiber again, because my fiber is pretty much gone. I'm out in the middle of the desert. I could drive into town. I'm not gonna. So I'm without fiber, and so I guess this will just prove one way or another how important fiber is. And by the way, we've already proved it's important, but the question is how important. So this is Ray signing off from the last time. No, actually, tomorrow will be the last time. Today's the last full day that I will be at RTR. So signing off from the RTR for the second last time, I want you all to have a great day.